Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for discovering the latest and most reliable gadgets and tools. If you're looking to upgrade your lawn care game this year, you're in the right place, because today we're counting down the top 5 best cordless lawn trimmers in 2025 that combine power, convenience, and efficiency to make yard work a breeze. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated with our top picks and honest reviews. And if any of these trimmers catch your eye, you can find the product links in the description box below. Let's dive in. Looking for one tool to trim, edge, and mow? The Korunria does it all. It features an innovative rotating motor head for easy switch to edger mode, and comes with a removable sliding tank to transform into a mower with adjustable height between 1.5 to 3 inches. Weighing only 5.2 pounds, this lightweight machine is powered by a 2.5 amp-hour battery that gives you up to 75 minutes of runtime. It also features a battery indicator and charges fully in just 1.5 hours with the included fast charger, making it a portable powerhouse for small to medium yards. The VARSK 2-in-1 trimmer quickly converts from trimmer to edger with a simple 90-degree rotation. Its auto-feed line keeps the trimming smooth without pausing to fix line length. With a powerful 8,700 RPM motor, two 2.0 amp-hour batteries, a fast charger, and 6 bonus spools included, it ensures consistent trimming across lawns, gardens, or yards. Its lightweight 5.3 pounds design, 180-degree adjustable handle, and pivoting cutting head make it ideal for hard-to-reach places, while the built-in spacer guard protects your plants. The Litheli 2-in-1 trimmer and brush cutter is built for serious yard work. The advanced brushless motor offers variable speed control, 0 to 6,000 RPM, for superior torque and efficiency. The dual-line bump feed supports a 14-inch cutting swath and uses durable twisted lines, while the blade accessory lets you tackle thick brush. Its foldable aluminum shaft, adjustable auxiliary handle, and shoulder strap reduce fatigue, and its 2.0 amp-hour battery, with charger delivers both power and portability, perfect for tougher terrain and dense grass zones. Talk about a 3-in-1 beast. The Worx GT Revolution WG 170.2 transitions between trimmer, edger, and Mini-Mower with ease. With a 7,600 RPM motor, 7 handle adjustments, and 6 rotating head settings, it's built for precision and flexibility. Topping our list is the Greenworks 40-volt combo, the ultimate tag team for trimming and blowing. The 12-inch auto-feed trimmer slices through dense weeds with ease, and the 390 CFM blower clears leaves and debris like a champ. Powered by a 2.0 amp-hour battery that fuels Greenworks' entire 40-volt ecosystem, this combo is gas-free, lightweight just 8 pounds, and whisper quiet at 67 decibels. Ideal for morning use without disturbing the peace.